I don't know about you, but November and December always feel like a whirlwind. For this month's blog, I'm going to share what November and December always seem to feel like. Now, November started with a little bit of art, but it quickly moved into the holiday activities. The high school concert is always awesome, and the jazz band always puts on a great show. Now, in the middle of holiday preparation, I managed to squeeze in some friend time. We went to a great flea market over in Mount Dora, and then I went to go visit a friend, and her house is like an art show. I mean, there's just so much to look at. It's absolutely wonderful. Now, December started off with a special birthday as well as some acceptance letters. Now, I also had my annual Art Sister ornament swap, as well as I picked up some great ornaments for my Christmas tree and managed to squeeze out some ornament tutorials. Now, something we do every year for the holidays is we spend a weekend over in Orlando.
Thanks, babe. There he is!
We have a wonderful time. We get to spend some time with Santa, stay at our favorite hotel, watch the parade, eat some desserts, listen to some music. It's awesome. Now, once we get back home, there's the mad rush for cookie baking and breakfast making and opening presents and wrapping presents and visiting family and just having a great time. And this year, I even treated myself to a present. I bought myself some hammers by Brenda Schwader. Now, we finished off the month by spending some time over at Disney Springs and having fun doing some virtual reality, checking out the trees, and just spending time together. Now, who knows what 2020 is going to bring, but I always have a word of the year, which is declare, and my phrase of the year is know your worth, then add tax. So that's it for November and December, and I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Here's to a wonderful 2020.